Superhuman AI review. In this video, we're going to be talking about a software that revolves around AI and all of its news. Now, Superhuman AI basically allows you to go ahead and upload articles related to AI on its space. You can also become a sponsor for Superhuman AI if you want to. You can have your very own ad partnership and obviously gain revenue through people who come over here and study all of these ads. So as you can see, these are all news and ads related to different AIs. So as you can see, a new AI first web browser, you can go ahead and check it out. And you can see the owner, Zain Khan, will let you know what's going on.
Read time under 4 minutes. AI Godmother.
So as you can see, this person uploads their very own podcasts, lets you know about news related to new AI stuff, and anything AI related that you want to know, you can find it over Superhuman. So just create an account for yourself and start becoming a AI geek. So yeah, that is basically what Superhuman AI is for. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.